Understanding Fashionista's Choice, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating phrase that you might come across in magazines, online articles, or social media: Fashionista's choice. This phrase is not only about fashion, it's also a great example of how English language can reflect cultural trends and preferences. So, let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. Fashionista's choice is a phrase made up of two key parts. Let's break it down. Fashionista. This term refers to someone who is very interested in fashion, especially someone who follows the latest trends with enthusiasm. A fashionista could be a designer, a blogger, a stylist, or simply someone who loves dressing up in stylish clothes. Choice. In this context, choice refers to a selection or preference. It implies a decision made from a range of options based on what is considered the best or most fashionable. So, when combined, Fashionista's choice refers to the preferred selection of fashionable items or trends as chosen by a fashion enthusiast. This phrase can be used in several ways, depending on the context. 1. Describing products. When talking about clothes, accessories, or beauty products, Fashionista's choice can be used to suggest that an item is highly recommended by those in the know about fashion. For example, this handbag is the Fashionista's choice this season. 2. Expressing personal preferences. Individuals might use the phrase to express their own fashion choices, especially on social media. For example, wearing my Fashionista's choice, a vintage leather jacket. 3. In marketing and advertising. Brands often use Fashionista's choice to highlight products that are trending or endorsed by fashion influencers, suggesting that these items are must-haves for those who want to stay fashionable. The phrase, Fashionista's choice, goes beyond mere fashion terminology. It reflects a broader cultural phenomenon. It underscores the importance of individual expression and the role of influencers in shaping trends. In a world where social media platforms can turn a single post into a global trend, the choices of a fashionista can influence what many people wear, buy, and talk about. Understanding phrases like Fashionista's choice can enrich your English vocabulary and help you engage more deeply with cultural trends. Whether you're discussing the latest fashion trends, describing your personal style, or analyzing marketing strategies, knowing how to use this phrase can add an extra layer of sophistication to your conversations. We hope you found this video helpful, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Happy learning, and stay stylish!